Hello guys, and welcome back to, now it's my channel.
Jaci Marie.
I changed the channel name.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Jaci Marie. We changed the channel name. Leif was in on it. I didn't kick him off. But I'm going to be sharing more like beauty and fitness and health and like my kind of stuff.
And I'm just going to leave.
No.
Get out of here.
He's going to still do vlogs with me on the channel. So we're not taking away any vlogs. We're just adding like more girl content in as well. So that's what's happening. But we have some very exciting news today that we wanted to share with you guys because it just became official like 20 minutes ago. We signed the lease for a new place and we are moving. We're moving to LA. This might be like, I feel like a lot of people think we already live in LA, but we live in Orange County at the moment. And we love Orange County so much. We would love to end up there or come back at some point. But for work stuff, we feel like we needed to be closer to LA because we miss out on a lot of opportunities because we're just too far away. It's not like the longest drive in the world, but just with traffic, it gets super obnoxious to have to make that drive a lot. So
it can take sometimes about 2.5 hours to get up to LA.
Yeah, with traffic, which is just like, when I'm trying to go multiple times a week, it's just not fun to have to make that drive. And we found the cutest house and we're so freaking excited to show it to you guys. So next video will be an empty house tour. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I keep wanting to say to our channel. It's still our channel.
It's still our channel.
To our channel, to my 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 channel. And we will take you guys through and you can see it. I was gonna show a sneak peek, but then I actually didn't even record anything, so look out for it in the next video. But we're seriously so excited. It's gonna be a fun little change. It's really sad to leave, but it'll be really good for us, I think.
There are things that were sad to leave. We got comfortable in our Orange County place.
Yes.
But I'm really excited for the change and for all of the things to come. Yes,
we're super excited. We're going to lunch right now, or kind of a late breakfast, to celebrate, and we'll take you guys with us. All right, I got a salad and a chai, and Leif got a breakfast burrito. You ready to celebrate? Wow. Why is this black and white? How was your first meal as an LA local?
LA-licious.
We are headed back to Orange County now, back to our current home. We need to finish up packing. We only have a few more days. We packed up our entire guest room and most of our office, and we just need to pack up like our room and our kitchen, all our kitchen stuff. I feel like that's gonna take forever, don't you?
Yeah. Well,
we packed up most of our closet too, which like took forever. So I feel like we have the majority of stuff done, but it's still kind of a disaster at our house currently, and we need to pack up more stuff. And then we also want to hire movers because we hired movers with our last move, and it was so nice and so worth every penny that we spent because they just come, like a group of guys comes in, gets everything, and moves it all to the new location in a moving truck. It's so worth it. So we're definitely doing that. But as we're on our drive, we are going to start listening to a new podcast. We just got finished with the podcast Cold. Have any of you guys listened to this story? Because it is nuts. It happened in Utah, and it's about a guy who like murdered his wife. Anyway, if you like true crime, you should check it out because it's really crazy. But now I just told Leif I have a new podcast episode, or why do I keep saying episode? New podcast for us to listen to. It's called Family Secrets, and it's like number 9 on the top charts right now. Wait, what the? Why does it only have like 2 ratings? I'm exaggerating. It has like 200 ratings, but that's not a lot for being on the top podcast charts. So it says that basically she thought she was adopted or something. It says she was told that she was adopted, but that didn't turn out to be entirely true or even half of the story. So now I'm so intrigued and I want to know what the heck this podcast is about. So I think we're going to start listening to it. Stay tuned if it's any good. You ready, Leif?
Yeah, I want to know at least half of the story.
Okay, so disregard every single thing I just said about that podcast because I didn't read it well enough. So first of all, the person who got adopted and didn't know it was actually a guy. It says Steve. I don't know why I thought it was a girl. But then also, this is not even a story. It's like different episodes every time about different people's family secrets. So literally disregard every single thing I said because that is not even what the podcast is about. But regardless, we'll give it a listen and see if we like it.
Were you a good test taker?
No. Were you?
Yeah, because I read the instructions. Girl.
You're too excited, lady. Want to see me? Yay! Yay! You're a little too excited. You're gonna have a new house. You're gonna have a backyard. Awesome. I'm really gonna miss this house. So pretty and light and beautiful. This tree is fake and I just got it the other day. We need to like elevate it in this pot. I don't actually know if I'm gonna keep it for the new house. We will see. But yeah, we might actually have to get rid of this couch or like put it in storage or something because it might be too big for our new house, which is so sad. But we're really hoping it works. So stay tuned in the moving vlogs if it works out. So this is what our guest room currently looks like. Everything is wrapped up in plastic and ready to go for the movers to take in their truck. So this room's pretty much done. The office is kind of a disaster. But yeah, we still need to pack a lot of this stuff actually. But the good thing is that the like big pieces of furniture, we don't obviously have to pack those. Those will just be loaded into a truck, but we do need to like tape these up and stuff too. Also, if I look exhausted, it might be because I fell asleep on the ride home and basically slept the whole way, so I feel like I'm still like half asleep. But yeah, that's the situation at hand. We are moving in less than a week. We're taking you guys through the whole process, and I'm really excited to like start decorating our new house and stuff. We just got done measuring at the new house, sorry. So now that I know all the measurements, I feel like I can like actually shop now for the stuff because I didn't know measurements of the things I would need. So I've been online shopping. We're obviously gonna still have a lot of the same furniture, but we'll definitely be getting some new stuff and switching some rooms up and stuff. Like the master bedroom at the new place is so much bigger than this one, so we'll have a lot more room for furniture, and I'm just really excited to decorate and take you guys along with the process. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and if you want to stay updated on our moving process and just everything else in our lives, then make sure to subscribe. We have good vlogs coming, and we will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.